Hi everybody, welcome. My name is Angie and I'm really glad that you're here. I hope you'll join me on this journey as we transform a very tiny townhouse into a beautiful, beautiful long-term home. This is an oddly shaped and very outdated townhouse, and we have been working on it for a while now, but there's so much in the works. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So my videos are cleaning, decorating, organizing and downsizing. We came from a very large custom built home to a very, very tiny townhouse, and it's been a freeing experience and a challenging experience, and we want to share all of that with you. So I hope you'll stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Those don't cost you anything at all. It just notifies you when we do upload a video so you can see. You'll just get an email, that's all. And if you're interested in more exclusive things like behind the scenes footage, exclusive content that's not available anywhere else, merchandise for the channel, those are only available to Patreon members. So if you want to become a patron, go ahead and check out the Patreon link below. There are different tiers available and different benefits to each tier. As you know, creating content for a YouTube channel is extremely expensive. It's very time consuming. I do work a full-time job. This is a second full-time job. Trust me when I tell you that. And it is also very expensive in the fact that it takes a lot of equipment, it takes a lot of programs, and it takes a lot of time to create truly professional looking content. And that's what we're going for. We are rehabbing the channel today to make it more professional and just a better all-around experience for everybody. So I hope you'll join us on this journey. We are so glad you're here. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk soon.